Hello, my fellow art adventurers. Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of Halloween with a fun-filled masterpiece. Get ready for some playful kittens and a pumpkin. Let's grab our supplies and get started. Let's kick things off by drawing the kittens. Start with their adorable heads, followed by a graceful curve. Now add 2 attentive sets of ears for that inquisitive look. It's expression time. Give them 2 big round eyes with pupils squished together in the middle. Don't forget to add a tiny pointy nose right in between. And for one of their paws, make it cute and round with some tiny pointy nails. This kitten is probably hiding and peeking out from somewhere mysterious. Extend a long, curvy tail on top in the middle. Now let's bring in the star of the show, our beloved pumpkin. Make it big and round and add some spots for that fantastic texture. It looks like one of our kittens is hiding snugly inside this pumpkin. But wait, there's more fun to be had. Add a small round shape with ears and 2 big eyes peeking out from the side of the pumpkin. Another kitten joining the Halloween party. And let's not forget one more on the left, peeking out and looking up for another friend. These kittens are up to some Halloween mischief, playing hide and seek and ready to spook anyone who comes near. To set the stage, scatter some leaves on the ground. It's the perfect autumn touch. Now comes the exciting part. Coloring our spooky kitten scene. Paint the pumpkin in a vibrant hue of orange. Really let it shine. Give our kittens a warm yellow hue for eyes. And for those adorable ears, let's go with a playful pink color to make them pop. But for our Halloween kittens, classic black is the way to go, adding that spooky flair. Paint the other two kittens the same way. They could be a family of mischievous kittens having a blast on Halloween night. And to finish it off, add a peachy orange color to the leaves on the ground to set the tone. And there you have it, folks. Our spooktacular Halloween kitten night is ready to charm your Halloween festivities. I hope you enjoyed this quirky art adventure. If you did, please show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing for more fantastic art creations. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, keep creating, stay quirky, and have a fantastic Halloween.